This battery can turn any bike electric. You just replace your front wheel, attach the sensor to the pedal, and mount the battery on the front. The display tells you your speed and range, and now when you start pedaling, the battery will power the bike for you. On a full charge, you can go 15 kilometers, and its top speed is 15 miles an hour, making it perfect for commuting or just having some fun.
I showed you guys this and how it's a must-have sunscreen for me this summer. I have not looked at this outside yet, so let me show you. It is so pretty.
If you want to keep an eye on your partner whilst away, then you need one of these. It's a cute little robot that's controlled with your phone and has an onboard camera and mic so you can hear and see what's going on. It also has a laser that's controlled with your phone and makes it great for playing with your cats while you're out. Plus it has night vision so you can use it in the dark, and it will automatically return to its docking station when it gets low on power.
Car gadgets you need or don't. This brush is water powered and will spin and rinse to effortlessly clean the dirt on your rims and reach every nook and cranny without leaving a scratch. This sprayer has a cleaning reservoir and will lay down cleaning foam and then rinse and clean your car in minutes. This will allow you to easily clean the inside of your windshield. This umbrella will prevent your car from heating up, and this gadget attaches to the back and gives a thumbs up so you can say thank you and be a gracious driver on the road.
Amazon cleaning hack. If you hate bending down with a dustpan and brush, then this broom is a game changer. Just charge it for half an hour and sweep the spillage into a line. Then use its built-in vacuum to suck up to 1 cup of dust and debris into its body. Then when you're done cleaning, simply press the eject button to empty it into the trash. Amazon summer hack. If you get too hot in summer, then this AC unit could change your life. Installation took less than 10 minutes and it looks super sexy in any window. It comes with a remote, but you can also control the fan speed and temperature using your phone. It's much quieter than other ACs, so it's great in the bedroom, and it can cool a 350 square foot room to 68 degrees easily.
Summer gadgets you need or don't. Anyone else hate when you can't find a cold drink? This gadget takes in any can and when sprinkled with ice will take your drink for a spin and have it go from warm to icy in exactly 1 minute. This cover can open up cans and protect them from bugs. These will protect your wine. And this soda dispenser flips bottles upside down so you can drink Coke on tap. Laundry gadgets you need or don't. This premium quality shirt is stitched into comfy pajama pants and comes with pockets and bathroom access so you can work comfortably from home. This blanket has magnets you can iron on top of your washer. This laundry guard prevents clothes from falling on the side for any front-loading machines. This dock prevents any of your socks from being lost and keeps them all together. And this portable washing machine connects to your faucet, will not only clean your clothes but will spin dry them as well.
If you hate unpacking when you travel and end up living like this, then this backpack could change your life. Just pack your clothes into its wardrobe system and compress it to save 20% more space. It then fits perfectly into the backpack, so when you arrive at your destination, all you have to do is hang it up and all your clothes are neat and organized without unpacking.
Okay, trying to style these pants. I think I'm gonna do black heels, but trying to figure out what bag to do. Also, don't know how I feel about this hairstyle. I don't know. Okay, so for the bags, we can either do the red, cute, or the orange. Matches my nails a little bit better. Sky, what do you think? Which one? Orange? Okay. We're gonna go with orange. These are all from Amazon, by the way. I'll link everything. It's gonna be posted on Insta.
I've been going through something. 1,855 days.